Hi, and welcome to the Mirka workshop. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of preventative maintenance for our professional Mirka DEXOS dust extractor. Just like any other piece of equipment in a workshop, our dust extractor requires regular maintenance to ensure it continues to operate at its best. Preventative maintenance not only helps to extend the lifespan of the dust extractor, but also ensures that it performs reliably and efficiently project after project. So let's go over some key preventative maintenance tasks that we should perform regularly. First, check and clean both the cooling air filters and dust filter. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate on the filters, reducing suction power and airflow. Make it a habit to inspect the filters regularly and clean or replace them as needed to maintain optimal performance. We have a video about how to change the filters if you are looking for guidance. Next, we have checking the hoses and connections. Inspect the hoses for any signs of wear or damage and ensure that all connections are secure to prevent air leaks. Another important task is emptying the dust bag. A full dust bag can restrict airflow and reduce suction power, so be sure to empty it regularly to keep the dust extractor running smoothly. We have another video on how to replace the dust bag. Additionally, it's a good idea to inspect the exterior and interior of the dust extractor for any signs of damage or wear. Make sure the lid opens and closes normally and that the storage container doesn't have any unnecessary litter in it. If needed, you can wipe the surface with a damp cloth to keep everything clean and in good condition. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping our workshop running smoothly. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks from the Mirka workshop.